Aquino, jersey number 22. Aquino, jersey number 21. And Zosa, jersey number 16. And Gabriel, jersey number 4. At unang bola para sa Mangarra, Gabriel pass to Aquino. Aquino pass to Zosa. Zosa pass to Aquino. 15 on the shot clock. Aquino. Gabriel from downtown. Rebound by Gallego, ball on the bounce. 13 seconds on the shot clock. Zosa, Gabriel pull up, rebound by Gallego. Gaila, Billy Agustin from downtown, rebound by Aquino. Aquino pass to Zosa. Zosa may tangan ng bola, pass to Gabriel, good for two by Gabriel. Gaila pass to Gallego atake, pass to Sagun, Capistrano, Gallego, supply, rebound by Gabriel, pass to Aquino, Gabriel, Aquino, rebound by Gallego. Ayan na si Mr. Gallego. Gallego pass to Gaila. Alley play. Ayan na si Mr. Gallego. Good for two by Capistrano, jersey number 1. Zosa from downtown. Zosa, 3. Gaila may tangan ng bola, pass to Billy Agustin. Billy Agustin from downtown. Billy Agustin, 3. Aquino pass to Zosa. Zosa, lays up, rebound by Gallego. Pass to Billy Agustin. Pass to Sagun. Billy Agustin. Airball, still bad. Naman ni Mr. Gabriel, masyado malaki. Pass to Aquino. Aquino supply. Aquino pa rin. Rebound by Gallego and then time foul. Foul, jersey number 22, Aquino. That's our first personal foul in the first team foul. Zosa. Supply. Rebound by Gaila. Ay, nabitawan ng bola ng Mr. Gabriel. Supply, rebound by Sagun. Steal by Zosa. Gabriel, good for two. Sagun. Gaila. Good for two by Sagun. Deadlock 7. Alley play. Kapis na naman may tangan ng bola. Capistrano. 3 minutes and 25. Willie Agustin. And good ball, 15 to shoot. Is still by Aquino. Rebound by Sagun. 3 minutes and 10. Willie Agustin. Rebound by Aquino. Exactly 3 minutes. Aquino lays up. Good for 2. Gaila. Gallego 15 to shoot. To shoot. Rebound by Capistrano, good for 2. Two minutes and 20 seconds. Sosa. Aquino from downtown. Rebound by Gallego. Willie Agustin. Rebound by Gabriel. Exactly 2 minutes. Good for 2 by Gabriel. Zaza. Rebound by Aquino. Gabriel and time foul. Foul, jersey number 20, Gaya. That's our first personal foul in the first team foul. One minute and 39. Ayan, change all. Gaila. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Willie Agustin. Rebound by Aquino. Zaza. Aquino. Rebound by Capistrano. Good for 2 by Sagun. 55 seconds. Aquino good for 2. 50 seconds. Gaila. Pass to Gallego. Nakagandang bullet pass. Good for 2 by Gallego. Seconds. Gabriel 15 to shoot. 10 seconds. Wait for the buzzer. 5 seconds. Good for 2. End of the first quarter. Official score 16-13 in favor of Bakar. Selection.
Putuli mo lang every quarter pa rin.
Bola kay ng Victoria. Involving Karamat, pass to Rabida. Rabida, pass to Campo. Capistrano, good for 2. Quinto. Chavez, back to Quinto. Ragas from downtown. Ragas, 3. Rabida Pasco Campo. Rabida from downtown. Rebound by Karamat, putback. Karamat pa rin. Time to shoot. Ocampo babawi. Ocampo, 3. Quinto pass to Ragas. Ayan si Mr. Rabida. Pass to Gregorio. Fake. Good for 2 by Gregorio. The extra rise. Change wave na tayo 2019. Habang sila isa ang Victoria. 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Rebound by Capistrano. Ocampo. Gregorio. Karamat, meron tayong foul. Foul, jersey number 27. Arm contact and a 2 shot. Patawaran, that's our first personal foul and our first team foul. First rise apply. And sa play pa rin. Rebound by Chavez, pass to Ragas. Tito. Rebound by Rabida. Gregorio. And tumama sa duet. Chavez. And binigyan kay Mr. Gregorio, pass break play. Ocampo. Rabida. Supply, rebound by Ragas. Chavez ngayon may tangan na bola. Chavez alin play. Bola to bounce, masyadong malakas. Rabida. Rabida from downtown. Rabida, 3. Ragas pass to Chavez. Chavez good for 2. Ocampo from downtown. Ocampo, 3. Four minutes and 30 seconds. Chavez. Same ball. 14 on the shot clock.
Play.
Quinto. Ragas from downtown. Rebound by Patawaran. 10 to shoot. Capistrano. Rabida, pass break play. Ocampo, 3. Chavez. Rebound by Capistrano. 3 minutes and 50, Gregorio. Rabida. Ocampo. And their time foul. Foul, jersey number 11, Chavez. Legally suspended. Time out. Bakar. 3 minutes and 41 para sa ating second quarter. Gregorio Pasco Campo. Rebound by Gabriel. Ayan, masyado malakas na pasang. Three minutes and 20. Rabida. Rabida from downtown. Rabida. 3. Aquino. Gabriel. Sosa. 15 on the shot clock. Aquino from downtown. Rebound by Rabida. Pass break play. Is still by Aquino. 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Sosa from downtown. Sosa, 3 points. Ocampo 15 to shoot. Rabida. Masyado malakas. Gabriel. Gabriel good for 2. Gregorio. Supply rebound by Sosa. 2 minutes and 5. Sosa. Sosa. Rebound by Rabida. Ocampo from downtown. Good for 2 by Gregorio. Aquino. Sosa 15 to shoot. Rebound by Capistrano. Is still by Aquino. Good for 2 by Aquino. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Score natin 34-28. Rabida. Haramat. Ocampo 10 to shoot. Rabida from downtown. Supply. Ball on the bounce. Exactly 1 minute. Sosa. Pass to Aquino. 15 to shoot. Aquino pull up. Rebound by Kalamat. And nasultan. Ball out of bounds, same ball. 43 seconds. Ocampo. Rebound by Karamat. Rabida. And nasultan ni Aquino. 34 seconds. Good for 2 by Aquino. Baba sa 4, 34-30. 20 seconds, wait for the buzzer. Ayan, nasultan na naman ang Aquino. Good for 2. 10 seconds, wait for the buzzer. 5 seconds. Gregorio, good for 2. The second quarter represent. Okay, back to the ball game. Ayan, papasok tayo sa ating third quarter. Bola tayo ng Bakar. Change court na tayo. Sosa. Gabriel. Patawaran. And it's the by Gallego. Gallego pass to Gailan. Willie Agustin from downtown airball, rebound by Patawaran. Zosa. Alpiar, down. Same ball. Gabriel. Rebound by Capistrano. Gallego. Good for two by Gaila. Zaza. Albiar. Sagun. Rebound by Gabriel. And then time foul. Foul, jersey number 1, Capistrano, arm contact, two shot. Capistrano, that's on first personal foul in the first team foul. First right supply. Sablé Perenne. Sagun pass to Gaila. Whistling by Gabriel. Zosa. Albiar. Albiar supply, rebound by Gragas. Good for two. Gallego pass to Willie Agustin. Albiar. Zosa. Black. Rebound by Sagun. Sagun pass to Willie Agustin. Same ball. 5 minutes and 46. Willie Agustin, 3. Zosa. Gabriel, good for two. Gaila. Gaila setting a play, 15 on the side clock, Capistrano. Pass to Gaila. Gallego from downtown. Gallego. 3. Albiar. Rebound by Gragas. Rebound by Sagun. Pass to Gaila. Last 4 minutes, 50 seconds. Willie Agustin. Rebound by Sosa. 4 minutes and 40 seconds. Supply, rebound by Patawaran. And meron tayong and one play. Foul, jersey number 28. Arm contact and a bonus throw. Supply, good back. Good for two by Patawaran. Four minutes and 30 seconds. Gaila. Gaila pass to Gallego. And pick Gallego. Block. Same ball, it's out. Albiar out. Willie Agustin. Rebound by Gabriel. Gabriel lays up supply, rebound by Gallego. Exactly 4 minutes. Capistrano good for 2. Zosa from downtown, rebound by and Zosa Moreno. Gabriel good for 2. 3 minutes and 14 Kayla. Billy Agustin. Rebound by Patawaran, still by Kayla. Gallego, 10 to shoot. Capistrano supply, Sagut. Rebound by Gabriel. Good for 2 by Sosa. Exactly 3 minutes. Gallego. Gallego supply, rebound by Patawaran. Gabriel good for 2, deadlock 46. 2 minutes and 35. Billy Agustin, rebound by Patawaran. Same ball, 2 minutes and 15. Patawaran good for 2. James Lebor, 2 minutes and 5. 48-46 sa bando ng dalawang Bangar selection. Exactly 2 minutes Kayla. Rebound by Gabriel. Supply, rebound by Kayla. 1 minute and 40 seconds. Good for 2 by Gallego. Patawaran. Good for 2 by Gabriel. Billy Agustin. Good for 2 by Kayla. 1 minute and 5 seconds. Deadlock 50. Zosa. Gabriel from downtown. Rebound by Sagun. Seconds, Gallego lays out. Good for 2. 35 seconds. Sosa, 3. Ball out of bounds, 22 seconds. 22 seconds. Seconds. Gallego. Capistrano 15 seconds. Capistrano good for 2. 10 seconds. Gabriel long 2. End of the third quarter, official score 55-50. Okay, back to the ball game. Ayan, papasok na tayo sa ating last and the final quarter. Bola tayo ng Team Victoria. Rabida from downtown. Rebound by Quinto. Chavez. Aquino good for two. Ocampo. Ocampo from downtown. Ocampo. 3. Ayan, first deadlock, 57. Aquino. Quinto. 3. Rebound by Gabriel. Aquino. Aquino lays up, good for two. Ayan, abante ng 5 puntos ang Team Barar. Rabida. Ocampo. Rebound by Aquino, pass break play. Ball out of bounds. Rabida. Rabida from downtown. Rabida. 3. Gabriel. Chavez from downtown. Rebound by Gregorio. Ball out of bounds and tumama sa Marvel State. Gregorio. Last 6 minutes and 10. Aquino. Supply. Rebound by Aquino, 14 to shoot. Gabriel, good for 2. Ocampo from downtown. Rebound by Aquino. 64-60. Aquino good for 2. Rabida pass to Ocampo. Rebound by Aquino. Quinto pull up. Rebound by Rabida. Last 5 minutes and 20 seconds. Good for 2 by Karaman. Last 5 minutes. Is still by Rabida. Rabida barangay tangan ng bola. Ocampo from downtown, rebound by Gabriel. Pass break play. Quinto, good for 2. Last 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Rabida from downtown. Rebound by Aquino, pass to Aquino. Last 4 minutes and 15. Ball out of bounds. Sub. Gabriel out. Sub. Ocampo out. Last 4 minutes and 9. William Singh Bantu. Rabida 15 to shoot. Pass to Karamat, good for 2. Last 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Quinto. Aquino, good for 2. Billy Agustin, 15 to shoot. Billy Agustin from downtown. Rebound by Capistrano. Gregorio. 8 to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Rabida supply. Last 3 minutes and 5. Last 3 minutes. Rabida. Rabida from downtown. Rabida. 3. Last 2 minutes and 37 and airtime foul. Foul version number 8, holding foul. Gregorio out, Capistrano out. Last 2 minutes and 37. Quinto, 3. Last 2 minutes and 27 seconds, Rabida. Billy Agustin, rebound by Karamat. Rebound by Aquino, pass break play. Cabez, lays up, good for 2. Gaila. Yana Sultan, kawali Aquino bola. Last 2 minutes. Good for 2. Last 1 minute and 55. Rabida. Air ball. Last 1 minute and 47 seconds. Quinto setting a play, 15 to shoot. And then time one play. Foul, there's Schroeder. 20. Illegal is offended. And complete 3. Last 1 minute and 37 seconds. Easting by Aquino, last 1 minute and 25. Aquino supply. And Aquino ball out of bounds. Last 1 minute and 15. Last 1 minute and 10. Rabida supply. Last 1 minute and 5. Last 1 minute. Last 52 seconds. Same ball. 13 seconds to shoot. Quinto supply. Aquino supply. Rebound by Gaila, last 40 seconds. Gaila break. Rabida 15 to shoot. Billy Agustin. 3, last 25 seconds. Quinto, Chavez, good for 2. Last 17 seconds. Rabida. Rabida from downtown. Last 8 seconds. Wait for the buzzer. 5 seconds.